Well, what you got to say about music?
Music, man, that's what keeps us going. If music is part of our life, it should be part of our lifestyle. I'm into the blues, smooth jazz, neo soul.
What about hip hop?
Hip hop. When it gets to be hip, we'll talk about it. But right
now,
it's not hip. So we'll just wait on the hip hop thing because they're stealing from us. What they call when they sample something, they're taking music that we did. That was
some
working.
of them do. What about like Tupac or Jay-Z?
Well,
do you like?
They were early forms of hip hop, but now the hip hop, what they call it today, we'll look into that later. But let's look at what the real music is. The music that makes sense and makes sound.
Well, give me an example of some music that makes sense now.
Now?
Yeah. That's coming out now. Even because look at all like rock and roll. There's
not too much coming out.
Right. Jazz. Like give me some new jazz artists.
Well, the jazz people, we don't have to have new jazz. We can still have the old jazz and still have some nice jazz going. But the cats that out here doing now the smooth jazz, they call it. This is the jazz where they really just kind of blend it into a very smooth and melodic thing that just kind of brings your stress level down. Just puts you in a sense of relaxation. That's what I'm talking about. Who wants that music just boom, 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 boom? How's that going to relax you? You can't concentrate on anything. Think about anything. You got that boom, boom, boom going. So let's start just slowing the beat down, slowing the pace down. We got a few cats out there now that are just doing something very normal and casual, whether you're doing a drum thing or a guitar thing. I know a cat who does something on the sax that's out of sight. I'm going to introduce you to him later. So check out my world and my music because it's going on.